I might readjust.
Oh, dude. Oh, shit. What's up, everyone? It's Reelphatties here. We're getting off work. We're going to go ahead and head out and try to get some coho. Nice overcast morning. It's going to be sunny day, so we want to try to get on these fish before the sun comes out. We're here at McDonald's. We're going to grab some breakfast. Let's go. Just fished the first spot. There was about 6 people fishing here. I was here for about 45 minutes. I didn't see anyone catch any fish. Saw some really nasty old Chinook jumping, but we're looking for some fresh coho or some old summer steelhead. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna get back on the road. All right, we're heading off to our new spot. As you can see, what we're gonna do is climb down here. We're gonna go ahead and float fish in that nice green pool. We were able to get away from some people, and that's what the game plan was, so we can go ahead and try to get on some fish where there's not as much pressure. Hard day of fishing. There's a lot of pressure on this river, so we're just gonna jump in the truck. We are gonna keep driving until we find ourselves a good spot to pull off, and hopefully can get away from some people. We found a couple spots, but we need to get farther away from people so we can catch some fish. I've seen about 8 drift boats on the river, which is insane pressure, and probably 30 people on the bank. So we'll see. Here we go. Stay with us.
You drilled? Oh, there we go. On? Yep. Nice. Probably another Chinook. I don't see any depth roll. Oh, you never know. Right, dude. You never know with this fish. They never, dude, they never like fight real.
Let's go. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a beautiful coho. Well, I guess that was an easy catch and release. Unfortunately, that was a hatchery. All right, guys. Well, we're back at the house, and I hope that you guys liked that video. If you guys haven't already, go check out our website. We have lots and lots of steelhead jigs, which I'm going to go ahead and show here in a minute. And guess what? I'm going to go ahead and give away 2 steelhead jigs. All you got to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below your favorite salmon to fish for, and you have a chance to win 2 steelhead jigs. I'll go ahead and choose the winner at the end of the week. It's going to be our little Christmas giveaway, and so that's what I'm going to do for you guys. And don't forget to check out our website. It's on it's an Etsy account, and I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below. And so thanks for guys for watching my videos, and thanks to all you subscribers, and also thanks to everyone that's been placing orders. We've been busy like crazy. All right, thanks everyone. Peace.